Hey there, foodies! Were you aware that over 1.3 billion chicken wings were eaten during last year's Super Bowl? And that was just my order! All kidding aside, chicken wings are among the most popular meals out there. From gourmet restaurants to hole-in-the-wall sports bars, every guy with an apron seems to have their own recipe. The question is, are they at all healthy for you? We've heard time and time again how salty and disgusting wings can be. Let's explore a different route, shall we? Do they have vitamins? How about minerals? Are chicken wings seriously high in protein? We're talking all that and more. For the sake of good old-fashioned fun, let's walk through a brief history of the chicken wing. They are, after all, a staple of American cuisine, one that's been felt across the globe. There are several claims as to the actual origins of the wing. Arguably the most plausible is that they were first invented in Buffalo, New York in 1964 at Anchor Bar, a restaurant that's still standing today. As the story goes, the owners of the bar were paid an unexpected visit from late-night customers. Looking for a quick snack to fix them up, the owners decided to deep-fry leftover chicken wings and serve them as a meal. Up until then, the wings of chickens weren't very popular, primarily being used for stock and soup. From there, chicken wings slowly became a hit, with other Buffalo area bars allegedly copying their idea. They truly have had one heck of a journey in just 56 years. As of 2015, there were over 3,200 restaurants dedicated to serving chicken wings. That's just in the United States alone. With so many popping up, you better hope there's at least some sort of health incentive. Chicken wings vary in nutritional value. They come in so many different styles and sizes after all, not to mention the thousands of different flavors they can come in. We're talking buffalo, barbecue, spicy garlic, honey garlic, habanero, hot, medium, or mild, but the choices are endless. Because of the various quantities in an order, the calorie count can be different everywhere you go, but if we're going to give you an answer, one skinless chicken wing is around 43 calories. Depending on the size of the wing, you could be having 2 pounds worth in a single serving. Keeping with the math, after eating those 12 wings, you'll have consumed 516 calories. Not to mention the beer or soda you're probably drinking with it. Data also shows that French fries and barbecue sauce are the most popular sides served with wings. The average serving of restaurant fries contains between 300 and 400 calories. Depending on how much you eat, a night out with friends watching the game can cost you $100 and leave you with over 1,000 calories. While any self-respecting health junkie would want to stay away from wings after hearing that, I think we need to have a closer look. What do these calories contain exactly? But before we continue, we'd like to thank Pure Gum for sponsoring this video. Pure Gum is the leader in sugar and aspartame-free gums and mints with a great taste that doesn't hold back in flavor. Pure Gum is sold in 25 different countries around the globe. Pure Gum. Live pure. Now, I know we may have discouraged you with those calorie numbers, but on the bright side, chicken wings pack a heck of a lot of protein. Don't get your hopes up though, I wouldn't go gorging on them right after a trip to the gym. A pound of scorching hot drumsticks isn't a wise meal following 100 sit-ups, but chicken wings can indeed be a reliable source of protein. The daily value for protein is right around 50 grams a day. Well, it varies between genders. It's recommended that men consume 56 grams per day, while women consume 46. Remember that 43-calorie skinless chicken wing from a moment ago? Well, just one of them carries 6 grams of protein. Eating 8 wings in a serving will supply women with more than their daily value, and just about the right daily value for men. Protein assists your body with maintaining muscle mass. If you're looking to build muscle, you'll need help from protein in the gym. When you eat wings, you may notice halfway through that you're feeling very full. This is what protein does to you. Eating protein quickly reduces your appetite. To be more specific, the hunger hormone ghrelin. If you're willing to practice discipline, a small serving of wings can give you the proper protein intake while not having a huge impact on your waistline. Just resist the urge to order a second helping. When your body's telling you you're full, you really are full. On top of protein, another plus to wings is their concentration of essential minerals. A 100-gram serving amounts to 16% of your daily phosphorus intake. Phosphorus makes up 1% of your total body weight. It helps your kidney function, muscle contraction, nerve signaling, and heartbeat. It's also important to note all of the useful vitamins chicken wings contain. This includes vitamin B6. That same 100 grams carries 8% of your daily B6 intake. Vitamin B6 assists with the circulation of oxygen throughout the body. Chicken wings also carry a vitamin called niacin. This is a B vitamin that helps your body turn food into energy. With benefits like these, you might think now that chicken wings aren't all that bad. Well, in reality, they're not. If you eat them in moderation, that is. Unfortunately, there's another conversation that needs to be had. Because believe it or not, there are a couple negatives to eating wings. Just kidding, you definitely knew that was coming. Are you finding this video interesting so far? Let's talk about some of the downsides to eating chicken wings. But before we continue, are you concerned about the overall state of your health? Perhaps you'd like our latest video discussing what burpees every day can do to your body. If you're trying to get in shape, you might want to take a look at our other video discussing how you can burn fat from your legs using only a plastic bottle. Now back to our discussion on whether or not chicken wings can be good for you. Let's dive in a little deeper to the negative side. Buffalo wings are loaded with salt. Their sodium content of course varies per serving. On average, a person is recommended about 1,500 milligrams of sodium per day. If you are going to go over, it's recommended that you don't exceed 2,300 milligrams. Remember that 43-calorie wing from before? While it does carry a satisfying amount of protein, there's also 87 milligrams of sodium. If your belly's telling you that you're full and you still order that second serving, you'll be ingesting over 1,000 milligrams of sodium. And let's not forget about the possible order of fries. Too much sodium will increase your blood pressure. This is known as hypertension and can also lead you down the dark road to heart disease, leaving you vulnerable to a possible heart attack or stroke. Another thing to be mindful of when chowing down on wings is the fat content. A healthy diet recommends between 44 and 77 grams of fat. One wing will contain 2 grams of fat on average. If you down a couple of servings in one sitting, it'll equal over a quarter of your daily value. Keep in mind the fries. You can never forget French fries. If you're eating chicken wings with the skin on them, 1 equals 6 grams of fat. This includes 2 grams saturated. Too much saturated fat can increase your level of LDL, causing a buildup in bad cholesterol. This will also further the risk of heart disease and stroke. If you go over your calorie intake, you'll also gain weight. So what can we say about chicken wings after learning this? Are they indeed healthy? Well, it's complicated. The amount of sodium and fat in wings are alarming, but if you're willing to eat them in moderation, there are plenty of protein and nutrients available. If you'd like a side with your order, scrap the French fries. Most restaurants supply celery as a healthy alternative. While celery is made up of mostly water, a stick contains small amounts of vitamin K and potassium, so celery's not a bad choice. It was, after all, what the first order of wings was served with back in 1964 in Buffalo. Keep the tradition alive, folks! Chicken wings can have healthy benefits. Just watch how much you're eating the next time you have a Super Bowl party. Do you like chicken wings? Are you considering eating more or cutting back after watching this video? Let us know in the comment section below. We'd love to hear from you. Enjoyed this video? Hit like, share, and subscribe to Bestie. Wait! What kind of bestie would we be if we didn't tell you about our other awesome videos? Go ahead, choose the left or right video and enjoy.